Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So in today's channel, I'm going to be playing with my cousin Karlee.
Hello.
So she might sound a little weird to y'all, is probably because we are with our headphones. She's with her earbuds, and then I am with my long wired headphone here. Yeah, like enemies come.
I'm gonna start recording.
Okay, so this is her. So yeah, be back. Okay, I'm back, guys.
Let's go medium.
Medium?
So I think it will be better. So then you lose.
Oh, okay then.
Okay,
So I forgot to say, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Or if you have been in my channel, welcome back. But either way, it's just, I'm glad that you're here.
look, I'm spectating this guy and he's about to win. He's in the third level.
Okay. It's just that sometimes it's really difficult for me today because I have stuff in like that. How do I do what I said?
Okay, so
Why did you leave?
oh sweet. Not bad. Do you wanna go look, game is ready, extremely. It's about to start.
Are you going?
Yeah, are you?
Oh my god.
Look.
Wait, I can't go. Karlee, stop.
No! Oh no,
Oh
this is bad. Okay, so guys, I'm playing now by myself. And I'm about to die. And I died. And I'm bad at the game.
Okay, so my cousin is a little loud.
Game.
She's really energetic. I will describe her feelings. Really energetic. She's like a cat or something like that. She like a little kid. No, basically like a cat because she goes all over the place. No, like a kid. What? Yeah, like a kid because.
So I had another account, or like I had another Robux account.
And stuff like that. And yeah. And you know, like kids when you give them sugar.
Wait for 5 players.
It's like when you remember, like when kids eat like a lot of sugar or stuff like that, they go hyper or chocolate or stuff like that. So my cousin is like that, but like in a 9-year-old version. Yes, in a 9-year-old version. I am really bummed out because spring break just finished. Where did you go, Karlee?
Did the game start?
No. We need a few more players in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want to play real hard.
Yeah, I mean like you're wrong.
Look. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There we go.
5.
Medium, let's go for medium.
Okay, fine.
Love is about to start. 8. Go girl.
I'm scared.
So I'm scared too, but we can do it. Let's try our best.
We're going down. Oh my god. Where do I start?
Oh, I'm starting over here. I'm starting over here. Something is wrong with the controller.
Oh my god.
Just don't fall, Kimberly. Don't fall.
I cannot guarantee you that.
No, you made me fall.
I'm so sorry, sweetheart.
No.
I can't. I'm sorry. Do you want me to die?
No. You can. I can spectate you. Look, I'm going to go to medium.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry.
I see you.
I'm gonna die, Karlee.
Going like down the thing. Go like just jump a little and wait. You can't.
Bruh.
You die.
It's okay. It's like a 0, 0, 0.
It's you didn't.
Yeah. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm not perfect. I am.
Perfect. That's
This is like it's about like a year or so that we have played this, right, Karlee?
Oh look, it's starting.
Which one?
Wait. Come. What
I'm
nose
sorry.
is that?
Okay, sorry.
That's a weird nose, but okay.
Okay, so once again, I'm really. Oh my god, I'm really sound. I'm really
Let's
scared.
go down.
Okay, where am I supposed
So
to?
this time we're going over here, Kimberly. Follow me. It's divided paths.
Okay, I don't have no idea. So like 2 ways you can go. There are like 2 ways you can go.
Oh my gosh.
Am I literally going in circles?
What?
Okay, good. Good.
Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm about to die. Wait, you died?
No, I didn't. Did you die? Karlee, I'm behind you. Go.
No, I died.
No, I died.
Oh
I
god.
died again. I died.
It was so bad. It was so rude.
We're so bad at this game, guys.
Wait,
0.
you wanna
Okay,
play
okay,
easy?
okay,
Oh, look,
okay.
medium starting again.
Let's play easy because like.
Wait, wait, come on.
Wait, what's it called? Oh, come in. Are you in?
Yeah.
Okay. You're in. Are you in a medium?
No, we're doing easy, and then it's gonna change into medium, and then it's gonna change to hard. We have to do 3 different levels.
Sure.
So I'm explaining my cousin how to play things.
Karlee.
Starting.
Okay.
You
Okay.
have to do it. Just like, oh my god, I'm done.
I don't know where to start at,
I
Karlee.
don't know where to start at too. Like, I'm about to die. Like, what the hell?
Karlee.
Okay, so I made it.
No, I didn't make it. I did it.
Okay, so follow me, girl. You gotta be very careful with the touches.
Girl, does it look like I have time to follow you?
I mean, you can follow me if you want. So like,
I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna. Oh, okay.
no, no,
Karlee, girlfriend, run!
no, no.
Karlee is about to come. Karlee, come in.
I'm going to make it. I don't think so.
Yeah, it's about to close. Come.
Yay, we made it! We both made it. So we get a point for this round, and then this door is gonna open.
Is this like the medium one?
Yeah, we're changing into the medium. We just have to wait till everybody is in.
Oh my god.
Wait, we have to get that blue thingy inside. Wait, somebody get. Okay, Kimberly, come on, start. Let's go. We don't want to die.
Yeah, most definitely we do not want to die. How do I start this?
Oh my god. Oh, it's over here. Look, the ladder. Can you make it?
Mhm.
Okay. You must be really careful on this one. This one's actually hard,
Okay.
but it looks easy to me.
Okay. Got that.
Oh, we made it.
We did.
That was easy. Come on.
Oh yeah.
And then we're going to extreme. Oh no, I don't like this one.
Why?
It's difficult. Let's just say that. Are you doing it? Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Oh,
I'm
die.
stuck to it. Like, that's the problem. Come on, you can do it, girl. You can do it.
We have to. You don't have it.
Imagine we finish this level.
Wow. Yay.
That'd be so cool. What?
Oh!
I died!
Why?
Oh my gosh. I died. At least I received 5 points.
No, I died too. I died too.
But you're going to receive points reward.
Okay. I received
Come on,
2,
go to easy.
0. What? I got 2 points.
You see? That's cool. Wait. Oh my god.
Easy?
This one's done. I see.
I'm in.
Okay, girl. We gotta wait. Like, so, this is me, the baking.
Okay,
girl.
guys.
I'm new Eve, but it doesn't matter.
Okay. Sorry, guys. I haven't not been talking to you guys, but so far we're doing okay for like the first time in forever.
Oh my god. Get ready, girl.
I'm trying.
What are you? Are you up here already?
No,
Oh my god. Wait, who's going to meet up here?
I'm following
You
a
have to
girl.
go- yeah, like, you can do, girl. You can do it.
I'm following some people right now. Oh my god. I'm following some people right now.
Okay, so there are some tricky parts. But rather than all that, I made it.
Okay, I'm going inside
Make it.
because I don't want to.
So we made it. Yeah, girl. Let's work it. I'm a dance. No, I feel like dancing.
Like, if we keep on making it, is it never going to end? Oh, okay, in my ear.
Yeah, I can't dance. What's the point?
Go, 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 go!
Go, girl. Okay. So I'm gonna follow this big thing. I'm gonna follow this troll girl. She be trolling. She be with my dick. Okay, so I found a way. Where are you?
I found a way too.
Oh, you're already at top there.
Yeah.
I'm still like at the bottom, and I'm about to die.
Okay, I did it. Well,
Hey, you gotta wait for me. I'm about to fall. No,
Girlfriend,
I
come
can
on.
make I'm the last person. And both shots.
Go, go, go.
Oh my gosh, girl, you gotta be careful. Wait, where did we even start?
Here.
I feel like I'm about to fall. Wait,
Oh, here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. How did I not do that? How didn't I see that? Like, girlfriends?
so this is like small obby.
Oh my god, I can't see. I can't. Oh my god.
No, I died!
Me too.
We're not good.
I couldn't
We're
see it.
sorry, guys, though. We're not like the best. Of,
I
like,
couldn't
people.
see it.
I couldn't see either. Like,
It's okay, it's okay. It's
guys,
okay.
I'm sorry. You think I am?
Sorry. Oh my god.
Okay, let's wait here. Okay?
Sure.
Wait, do you want to do medium this time?
Sure.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be back when the medium lobby is full, okay?
Yeah, I'm going to. Okay, so guys.
Okay,
we are
guys,
back.
so the round is beginning. We're lifting, or like, I'm lifting.
Oh my god.
Tall star.
Okay, so
Karlee, what the
you fell?
heck?
Oh no, this is bad.
Oh my god.
This
No.
is bad because I'm stuck and I died.
No, no, no.
I actually died. Look.
How am I supposed to get out of here?
Wait, I'm gonna see.
Karlee.
You're the. Oh, I thought you were the only person.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I'm going
Run.
to wait for you in the.
I
easy.
died. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be back again
So
when
we're going
the
to wait
things
for
are.
the easy.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
we'll
like-
see you right back, guys.
Okay, guys, so sorry. I'm going to be right back when what's it called? When we are finally like in the lobby. Oh my god, I'm coming. Where are we going? Karlee. Oh my god, this is so difficult, isn't it? It's so hard. Oh my god, I forgot to record. Okay, yeah. Sorry, guys. Oh my god.
Round begins.
Okay, guys, so we're in here.
I do not like the noise.
Oh my
Oh my
goodness.
god, it screams.
We busted. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna fall to my death.
I really hope that doesn't happen.
Oh my gosh, I'm about to die.
We're
Hey girl, what
Hey.
doing?
nothing. Just go in there. Bruh, we didn't even started it.
Okay, so I got the door already. Get on top, girl. Where are you?
Oh, right here.
Are you on top already? Girl. Oh my god, I went the wrong way.
Oh, bruh.
Bruh.
No!
You died? I'm sorry for you, girl. That is funny.
Okay, so guys,
Oh well, but
I
I know I'm
suck.
not dying. You can spectate me.
you can try, like, you spectate. I don't even know how the expectation thing works. How am I
I
supposed?
swear, girl. If you don't get in, girl,
How-
maybe.
How am I? How?
Oh my god.
More
This one
models.
is
Sure.
actually hard.
Sure, I go here for some
This
clues.
is hell. It's
How
really
am I
hard.
supposed to spectate?
How am I supposed to do this?
And how am I supposed to spectate you? Spectate.
No, I died.
Let's go to medium again. Let's go to medium. Hurry up.
Wait.
11 seconds.
How much
10,
is there?
9, 8,
I'm not gonna make
7,
it.
6, 5.
No, I'm not gonna make it.
Okay, then I'm leaving. Go.
Get in. You got it? Yay,
Yeah.
you did it.
Okay, we better run then. Because we don't have all day.
How do we start? That's my question.
Here.
Over here, look. We did this one already.
I'm not sure if you did it, but I'm not sure if I did. How, girl? Okay.
Girl with the wing.
Girl with the wing. What you doing with the
Wait, oh my god.
wiggle?
Oh my god. I'm not gonna make it.
I have faith in you.
Come on.
No!
You died? Sorry you died, girl. Okay, so, I'm going to try and do my best just to leave. Oh my god. This one is actually hard. Remember when we did this one?
Yeah. Okay. I wish the
Oh my
best
gosh,
to
she
luck.
died.
Should I go in the hard obby because it's starting in 5 seconds and like girl just went.
Well,
Okay,
what do
never
we
mind.
do? Excuse me, you're just not gonna let me die here. Like,
Oh my
it's
god.
so mean.
Left. Okay, let's go to the medium. Hurry up. 13, 12, 11, 10,
I can make it. I know I will.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's just two of us. Never mind. Yay, girl. We did it. We're 3 people.
Yeah.
How
4.
much is your video? Mine's is 16.
Mine is 17 minutes long.
Oh my god, I fell.
Yeah.
You know that I'm gonna die.
Sorry. You die?
No. How would I even die? Like,
Oh my god. Yeah, you did it. Am I the only one who made it? Vertigo. Bruh. What the?
oh, you're supposed to do the other one.
We're gonna.
Oh no, I'm stuck. No. Goodbye, world. It was nice meeting you.
Okay then, that's.
So,
So, thank you guys so much for watching. So, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this, please make sure to like it if you want, subscribe if you want, and share it with your friend so it can be entertaining. But this was a total fail. So, yeah. Peace out. Peace out. Bye. See you next time. And I really hope you like it. Bye. Oh, wait. Okay, sorry. I know I said. Okay, sorry guys. I know I said this was going to be the end, but my cousin want to say bye also.
bye.
Okay, bye.